Hey, what's going on? So February 2nd is officially Apple Vision Pro Day. Just picked up my Apple Vision Pro. I'm just going to show you a little bit of unboxing, but I'll come back later and actually just show you some videos of what the Apple Vision Pro can actually do. But let's see what's in the box right now. But first thing I'm going to show you is this little bag. I brought the Belkin battery holder for Apple Vision Pro. I brought this because on the back, which I didn't know prior to purchasing, I thought it was just a belt clip for the battery that hangs out the back of the Vision Pro. But it's actually a crossbody strap as well, which is pretty cool if you're, if you're wearing an outfit with no pockets at all, or if you just want the battery strap packed to you rather than clip it to your belt or rather than put it in your pocket. I don't even know if the battery's gonna get hot or not. But inside of this box, real quick, and again, this is my first time opening any of these things. I have not opened it yet, so I'm doing this live. You get a little Belkin welcome pamphlet, and then the actual battery clip holder. This reminds me of the old cell phone clips back in the day. That's exactly what it looks like. It has the clip actually built in, a little strap right here. It complements the Vision Pro very well with the color scheme and everything, and the materials. I'm sure Amazon will have some cheaper versions that you can you can buy. And here's the crossbody strap that it comes with. Again, it's just a strap, nothing fancy, but I still can feel the quality. This is actually a really good strap. And it has like little cutout loops on the strap here. So, it's one cutout loop. Okay. Yeah. So I'm assuming you take this, you loop it through that little loop that's on there like that. Okay. I guess that's how you do it. And then you would put it around your body. Okay. But we're going to take this off for now. So that's that. Get the accessories out the way. Let's go to the big boy, the Apple Vision Pro. I was actually lucky enough to try out one of these in the store today at February 2nd. I went to the Apple store, got a 11:30 time slot, which they saw me within that 15-minute period, and I was able to pick up my Apple Vision Pro today. My pre-order wasn't set to be picked up until Wednesday, the 6th, so I'm very happy to have this in my hand 4 days early. So let's check it out. Whoa! And here it is. This box is big. It's the size of a sneaker box. And it has some good weight to it, but here's the Apple Vision Pro box. It's pretty big. So let's tear it open. We're going to remove these orange tabs. There's one on each side. New technology from Apple. I had to pick this up. Had to pick it up. I was one of the first people to have an iPhone. I've been with Apple ever since. And this slides right on up and reveals Apple Vision Pro. Now, surprisingly, this box top is heavy. The box top is heavy, but I guess it's protecting the hardware, because here it is. This is the Apple Vision Pro hardware, and this literally just lifts right off. Like, it's pretty cool how they have it, because it doesn't fall out, but there's no straps or anything holding it down. It just literally just lifts right on out. So we're gonna put this to the side, and let's see what's in here. So what's underneath of this? We'll put everything in this big old box top. So first we have this big giant Apple Vision Pro. It's a beautiful color illustrated welcome booklet. And it shows you everything that comes in the box. And I guess like where everything is located and the name of everything on the actual Apple Vision Pro, and how to set it up, like a quick setup. But because I did the setup in the store, I kind of have a heads up. So we're going to put this to the side. This is a very nice book, though. It's very thick and good quality. So I'm definitely save that. In this carton, we have the secondary strap. Now, this is the strap that you can actually wear, which I'll probably use in this strap. You can wear this one instead of, let me take this out here. Hold up. So this is a very beautiful strap. It looks really good, but it's not the most comfortable. It's not the most supporting for your head. Let me rephrase that. It is very comfortable, but it doesn't really support the weight, the front weight of the Vision Pro. So this is a dual, I think it's called the dual loop strap. Is that what it's called? I'm probably getting names all wrong. But I know one strap goes over your head and the other one goes around back, so it makes it a little bit easier. When you put this thing on, it takes a little tension off of the front, the heavy part. So that's the strap I'll probably be using. Oh, the big giant battery pack. Now this battery pack has some good weight to it too. So let's take this out. This battery pack does have some good weight, and I'm glad that they do have the option of having the clip on, because I don't know, this has some really good weight. Let's compare it to my iPhone 15 Pro. So I'm gonna take this out the case, get a good accurate comparison. Definitely heavier than the iPhone 15, and almost, you see that? It's almost the exact same size. I would say it is the same size, but even the side of it is way thicker. It's like about 3 iPhones thick compared to the current generation iPhone. So thick and heavy battery case. And this is the cord that's attached to it. Now I saw a couple of videos where people were upset because the cord itself, if I can get this paper off. All right. Apple packaged this very well, by the way. So the cord itself, as you see, is connected directly to the battery pack. It looks as if there's no way to detach the cord. They sell these battery packs $200 a piece at the Apple store, but right here at the bottom of the battery pack, I saw another YouTuber show that there's a little pinhole on the bottom of this battery pack, the same you would see in an iPhone. And if you had, like with the SIM card, so if you have one of those SIM card removers, you can stick it in there. This cord comes right out, and it's like a fat lightning. That's what it looks like. It looks like the old traditional lightning cord, but just a little bit wider. But that pops right out. So thankfully, that's the issue, because if this cord ever gets, torn or, damaged, then chances are they're going to sell this cord and won't have to buy a whole $200 battery. Cord will probably be like $50 or something on Apple. $30, I hope, but I'm thinking 50. It's good to have a second battery, but also I like the fact that Apple left the battery out, not just because of the weight, but I like that they left the battery out because a lot of Apple products, most Apple products, all Apple products besides the Vision Pro, the battery is built into it. And once the battery was bad, there's nothing you can do. We've all have old iPhones, which I'm recording on right now, that just doesn't hold a charge anymore after years and years of use. So thankfully, with this expensive product, we can have years of use with an external battery. If it ever goes bad, we can swap the battery out. We've wasted too much time talking about a battery. Let's see what else is in here. We have a USB-C braided cord. And I love these braided cords because they don't get damaged easier like the traditional cords. By the way, this is a braided cord as well that's on the battery. And it's a long USB cord. It needs to be long because this cord is going to plug into the bottom of the battery on the same side. And then the other end is going to go into the brick that actually comes with it. Thank you, Apple, for including a freaking USB-C charging brick. But that's also what comes in this box. So you'll be locked in, tethered and locked in. All right, so that's it for this side of the box. Now, the other side of the box, we have a beautiful Apple polishing cloth for the front of the Vision Pro. Very nice big size too. It's a big size, not like the little tiny cloths. And actually on here somewhere, we're going to find, oh, here we go. It actually has the Apple Vision Pro inscription. It has the words Apple Vision Pro on there. So you probably can't see it from here, but it's there. So it looks good. So keep that over here. Inside we also have, now this Apple Vision Pro is made up of 3 different components. You have the front glass computer, you have a light seal that has been measured to your face using the facial scanner when you order this thing, and then you have a light seal cushion, and that's what this is. This is the light seal cushion. Now the light seal cushion is already included with the Vision Pro. This one is for supposedly I think it's for people with glasses. Apple has an option where you can buy optic inserts if you wear glasses. So if you put those optic inserts inside Apple Vision Pro, this is a thicker light seal cushion. In the store, when I tried my demo of this unit, I felt the weight on the front of my face after about a half hour of use. And I would even say about 15 minutes of use with just using this. I could feel it pushing down. So I don't know if I had it adjusted properly. I definitely needed a top strap, but I also think that that thicker cushion would be better. So this unit comes with this beautiful cover. You take the cover off and there it is. There it is. It looks beautiful. It looks like a beautiful premium product. It feels great in the hand. But yeah, this is it. This is the Apple Vision Pro. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras. You can see the 6 cameras clearly through the front. I know this thing has a ton of cameras for eye tracking. You can see there's 2 right here at the bottom. Notice when I'm holding it, I'm holding on the sides. The screen gets fingerprinted very easily. So I was instructed the store to always hold on the side, and you hold it by this frame right here, this aluminum metal frame, because this is all magnetic. So the light seal pops right on out. And the cushion, the light seal cushion, pops right on out. Everything comes apart very easily. It's just magnetic. Pops in easily as well. But once it's on there, it feels pretty stable. It doesn't feel like it's going to just fall off. So it's always good to hold it like this. But this is the Apple Vision Pro. This is the future in my hands. So I'm going to come back. I'm a little excited. You can tell I'm excited. I'm going to come back and I'm going to bring you another video. This is just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna come back with another video just showing you what I see, because there's a way to pair it to the Apple TV. So when I come back, I'm gonna pair it to the Apple TV. I'm gonna let you guys see what I see, and we'll play around with it. But for now, I'm going to set it up. I'm not gonna go through the whole setup process with you guys because that's boring. So once I get it set up, I'll be back. But Apple Vision Pro, this is it. I'm excited.